Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have 4 exercises on paper. Suppose a, b's are two numbers such that a squared plus b squared plus 8a minus 14b plus 65 equals 0. Find the values of a squared plus ab plus b squared. Do you know to show it? If you know it, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my videos from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. And now, don't spend my time. We go to the solution together. Okay, to find these values of this expression, I want to find the value of a and want to find the values of b. And to want to find the values of a and b, I use this equation. So there we have a squared plus b squared and plus 8a minus 14b plus 65 equals 0. And now this, I can write it a squared and plus 8a and plus 4 squares and plus b squared minus 14b and plus 7 squares equals 0. You see this? This equals 16 and this we equal 49 and plus 8 we get 35. So it the same this. Okay, now this is all right original. So now this I get is equal to a plus 4 all squares and plus this equal b minus 7 all squares equals 0. And so this, if this equals 0 and this equals 0, if however that a plus 4 equals 0 and b minus 7 is equal 0. And now this a plus 4 is equal 0, I get a equal minus 4 and this b is equal 7. And now we have the values of a and b. So we can find the values of this equation. So we get a squared plus ab plus b squared is equal minus 4 squares and plus minus 4 and multiply 7 and plus 7 square. And it's equal 16 and minus 28 and plus 49. And so this equal 21 and plus 16, we get 37. So thus we have the values of this equation. A squared and plus ab and plus b squared is equal 37. Is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye.